Raising gas is started. We have Princess Jillian. Break quickly at a start. In the middle portion is Kim Passable. Silver Glides is on the outside. Keep your distance, Stormtrooper, while Real Haven is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Princess Jillian by a length and a half. Kim Passable in second. Alongside third comes Silver Glides. 3 lengths further back in port. Keep your distance, Stormtrooper, while Real Heaven is the early trailer, this time by about 10 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, we have entry number 1, Princess Jillian, maintaining a length and a half lead. Kim Passable in second. Then on the outside third comes Silver Glides. Trying to get closer in port is Keep Your Distance. Then comes Stormtrooper, while Real Heaven is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Kim Passable and Princess Jillian fighting it out for the lead. We have Kim Passable now takes command by a length and a half. Dropping back in second is Princess Jillian. Moving up now on the outside, Stormtrooper with about 50 meters. It's all Kim Passable, followed by Stormtrooper, and finally Kim Passable. Then comes Stormtrooper. Princess Jillian, and Keep Your Distance.